Hello students, this is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about time connectors and linkers. Linkers and connectors are used to connect the sentences. We can divide them into different categories. For example, the first group we're going to study today is contrast connectors. They are used to contrast different conflicting ideas. For example, we had fun, although we didn't like the hotel. Although they played well, they lost. We had fun, however, we didn't like the hotel. So we are contrasting two opposing ideas. Although and however serves the purpose of contrasting ideas. The next group we're going to take a look at is reason, explanation. They canceled the concert because it was raining. I'm fit because I work out. In this pattern here, it's important to analyze verbs. For example, because I work out, so subject and verb, because it was raining. Subject, it, raining, the verb. On the other hand, if in our explanation there's a noun, we use because of. They canceled the concert because of the rain. Rain is not a verb, it's a noun, it's a thing. So because of. The next group is result. This is very basic. So, it was very late, so we took a taxi. She doesn't want to do it, so do it yourself. It is important to modulate our intonation according to it. So we have these three first categories: result, reason, and contrast. It's important to mention other variations of linkers and connectors. For example, after, that's the opposite of before and after. So before requires the use of nouns or ing verbs. Before breakfast, breakfast is a noun, or before having breakfast. So before and after are linkers for time sequencing, to sequence events. Another variation is while, but while it's about simultaneously. I read the newspaper while I was waiting. So these two actions happened simultaneously, while. On the other hand, this final linker here, it's a little different. As soon as I get home, I'll finish my homework. When I get home, I'll finish my homework, and once I get home, I'll finish my homework. We use this to sequence time. Common mistakes, we use present simple and not will to express future. When I will get home, no, it is necessary to use the present simple. Even though this action will happen in the future, it is necessary to use the present simple. So here we have a series of linkers and connectors. Contrast, reason, and results. And finally, time connectors to sequence the timing of our actions. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Thank you.